Hello everyone, so in today's video I am going to tell you about all the important points which you have to mark and learn in the chapter Mahatma Gandhi and the National Movement. Let me tell you first that this is a very important chapter for your exams, and also it is a very easy chapter. Like if you will see the storyline of this, it is really interesting and you can learn this very easily. Okay, so let's start the video without any further ado. So this part is not important, you can just cut it. Okay, this yes you can learn for your MCQ, because not in boards but in schools it can come. This part is also cut, nothing important. Then non-cooperation movement, this is very important. And what is non-cooperation movement, you need to learn this, it can come in your 2 marks question. Okay, then causes that led to the non-cooperation movement, this is very important. Like this is the part which is actually very important, and you can just see the occurrence of it in the board examination. Like it is very important. It can come that state the causes that led to the non-cooperation movement. So first you will first the heading you will write, as I always say that heading is very important. So first heading you will write Rowlatt Act, and then under Rowlatt Act you need to write this paragraph and also these 3 points under it. Okay, well let me tell you how I wrote this question when it came in my exam. That first I wrote this, then I had written 3 points under this, and then I have also written this part, for just a bonus marking. Okay, so this is very important. So first heading will be Rowlatt Act, you will write the matter under it. Then second heading will be your Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Then you will write like short points under it, that what were the important points, that peaceful crowd at Amritsar on April, and who had been arrested, and who did this, means who was the military commander of Amritsar who surrounded the Bagh. So he was General Dyer, this is very important. Okay, and then the third is your Khilafat movement. Okay, so this is very important. मतलब Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh and Khilafat movement, यहाँ से क्वेश्चन आपका कंफर्म आता है. ये सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है आपके इस चैप्टर का, मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. तो इसको तो प्लीज़ यू नीड टू डू इट. Okay, for your MCQs, for your 2 marks, and also for your long answer question. Means question from this part will definitely be there, like your half yearlies, your pre-boards and your boards. It is very important. Then comes this part, so this also you can read. And then objectives of non-cooperation movement, this like you can read, it's not very important. Okay, then programs, boycott and Swadeshi, this was like 2-3 points you can learn, and for MCQs it can come. Then activities during non-cooperation movement, this also like there are many points you can learn, 2-3 points. It's not, means this part is not very important. Okay, then repression by the government is also not very important. This date you have to learn. And then the suspension of the non-cooperation movement, that what was the reason of the suspension of non-cooperation movement, because of the Chauri Chaura incident. So this is very important. Now you can see that the points which I have like highlighted in red, means I have marked with the red color pen. So these points are those points which you have to include in your answer. Like these are the key points. My teacher told us, like whenever you're gonna write this answer, so you have to like write these points. This is important for your MCQ, it is very important. The impact of the non-cooperation movement is very important. There are 7 points under it, and you have to learn at least 4 points with their headings and the matter under it. This is very important. Like if I'm saying, I do mean that. Okay, it is very important. So you have to, you can just take a screenshot of it if you don't have this in your book. Then factors leading up to civil disobedient movement is also very important. This Simon Commission, this is very important. Guys, this chapter is extremely important. Like it is very important, and also it is interesting at the same time. The recommendations of Simon Commission, you can read it. Okay, it's not very important. This is also like it was not in our syllabus. Then Declaration of Purna Swaraj, it is also known as the significance of January 26th. This is also important, like you can read this. Okay, then civil disobedience movement, you can read this part. Dandi March, your Dandi March. This is very, 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 very important. You have to learn the paragraph exactly as it is written. It is very important. Like, this is a really important paragraph. Then program of the movement, this you can read. Progress of the movement, this also you can read, but this paragraph is very important. It's not very important. Round table conference, you can read this. Then this Gandhi event pack, this is very, 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 very important. Like, the three types of question can come from here. And a question can come that mention any one provision each of the Gandhi event pact. So you have to write one of this point and one of this point. Okay. Then second round table conference is very, very important. For your 2 marks, it is very important. This you can just read that. Impact of the civil disobedience movement. Well, I never saw this question coming in the boards, so you can just read it. Okay. Then this these 2 points are important, please. Then Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar's contribution. This you don't have to learn.